Welcome today to me trying to do the dreamboat clutch. So number one, you go in the world. Number two, uh, uh, you do the thingy. Yeah. Um, and then this is what you do. You get stack. Put over here. At least you see I tried many times. This is how you do it. It's so easy. Like it's actually the most easiest thing ever. So first you go in survival and you Oh, wait, I forgot to, I failed again. So easy, this is how you do the dreamboat clutch. Now without the platform. Let's go do it. Oh, we failed there. As you can see, it's very hard to do the dreamboat clutch. Hold on. And this is how you do it. Let's go. Dream should have did this. He should have landed on the crafting table. And now we do it legitly. So easy. And that's how you do the dreamboat clutch. Bye. Subscribe, like. I'm so good. See, I can do dreamboat clutch in like 5 tries. So easy.